Hello students, in the today's lecture we are going to see the examples on the qualified associations. So here I have taken one example for solving using qualified association. So this type of questions may ask in the university exam for the 5 marks. So the description is the country has many citizens. One citizen among all can be identified by an Aadhaar card. Represent this as a qualified association. The two diagrams are expected, one without qualifier and the other with qualifier. So these questions may be for 5 marks. So here the marks distribution for this is 2.5 marks for representing diagram without qualifier and other 2.5 marks for representing diagram using qualifier. So this type of questions may ask. So what is the solution for this? So what is the first task? The first task is you have to convert these descriptions into the diagrammatic representation without qualifier and using with qualifier. The solution for this is, here the description is given is that the country has many citizens. So from the first statement we have identified that there are the two classes, the country class and second one is the citizens class. Again after that they have said that country has many citizens. That means one country has many citizens. So through this multiplicity we can represent this type of relationship. After that they have stated that one citizen among all can be identified by an Aadhaar card. That means one citizen, if you want to identify one citizen from all can be identified as an Aadhaar card. So here Aadhaar card is an attribute of this citizen class, and through Aadhaar card we are distinguish the citizens from whole country. So this is the representation of this question, or this representation is the without qualifier. That means we have not used any qualifier notation here. So this is the simple representation. Now next task is to convert the same diagram or the same descriptions using the qualifier. So now let's see how to convert this diagram into the using the qualifier. So in this diagram you can see here what we have done here. So here we have taken this Aadhaar card from the citizen class as a qualifier to the country class. Okay, so how to what is the qualifier? You all know that the qualified association, as the name itself suggests, it provide more quality to the associations. That means if you want to search one citizen from the country, so what you did here, so through Aadhaar card you apply this Aadhaar card to the country and you are finding the one citizens. That means here in without qualifier one to many relationship is there, and here you have reduced that relationship, that is 1 to 0 or 1. That means if you apply this Aadhaar card as a qualifier to the country class, then the multiplicity is reduced. So this is the diagram with qualifier. So likewise you can convert the descriptions without qualifier and with qualifier. So this diagram is for 2.5 marks and this diagram is for 2.5 marks. That means the total 5 marks you is given for these questions. So likewise you can solve the this type of example. Thank you.